AI tools are getting more better day by day. WAN AI from Alibaba has a Series 2.5 model and it's insane. This model outperformed Mio 3 in both motion and speech. The best thing, it's open source and free. Let's take a closer look to see if it's really better than Mio 3. Let's get into the site and log in with Gmail. Here you can claim your daily credits. At the bottom you will see other options like image, video, text to video and many more features. I'm gonna start with text to video option. First, select resolution and aspect ratio. Set the video duration 10 seconds. For sound settings, you can use either video or audio files as your sound source. Now paste in your prompt and click here, and here the results are amazing.
I'm not running this time.
Next, I'm testing the image to video feature. You can generate images using tools like Image FX and Ideogram, then upload them for image to video conversion. Add your prompt and just adjust the settings and press the enter, and this is the image and this is the video.
Let's dance.
Now let's move to the next first frame and last frame feature. Upload one image for the first frame and another image for the last frame. Add your prompt and hit the enter. The results are so smooth and realistic. So let me know in the comments, is this tool actually the killer of Video 3? Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.
I can't believe you did that. Hey, it was the only way out.
I can't lose you. Not now, not ever. But I love you. That's all that matters.
I just think we should take the trip this summer, somewhere far. Like Iceland?
Iceland? In winter, you want to freeze and chase auroras.
This is my moment.